A potentially deadly infection racing through our community at alarming speed.
The real risk is for little babies.
Whooping cough cases have tripled since September. 1,349 cases have been reported in SA so far this year, compared to just 103 cases this time last year, a surge not seen since 2017.
With the pandemic, all of our respiratory numbers were very, very low.
The virus is caused by a bacterial infection in the respiratory tract, leading to severe coughing and difficulty breathing. Anyone can get it, but it's most concerning for babies. No deaths have been recorded in SA this year, but an infant died in Queensland earlier this week.
When you're a little infant, the coughing is so persistent and you can't interrupt it.
Health authorities are not only worried about whooping cough, they're also warning about a COVID resurgence.
Probably the people to be more alert to this are people with particular vulnerability, so people with problems with their immune functioning on cancer treatment.
With the timing of these two outbreaks just before the festive season, authorities are urging South Australians to ensure they're up to date with their vaccinations.
This is the sort of gift you should be thinking of giving to people in your family, getting a whooping cough vaccine.
Michaela Kamarik, 7 News.